Thinking about switching careers to tech in Canada but not sure where to start? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about transitioning into the tech industry, from the necessary skills and qualifications to how to find your first job. Stay tuned to learn how you can make the leap into one of the fastest growing industries in Canada. Before we dive into the steps, let's talk about why switching to tech is a great choice in Canada. The demand for tech professionals continues to grow, with over 250,000 new jobs expected by 2025. Not only are tech salaries highly competitive, but many roles also offer flexibility, like remote work and hybrid models. Whether you're transitioning from another industry or just looking for a new challenge, tech offers long-term growth and stability. The first step in making the switch is to assess your current skills. Do you already have experience in problem solving, data analysis, or project management? These are valuable skills that many tech employers look for. Even if you don't have a tech background, soft skills like communication, adaptability, and critical thinking can help you transition more smoothly. Next, it's time to decide which tech role is the best fit for you. Tech is a broad field, so you'll want to explore different paths before committing to one. Here are a few common tech roles that are great for career changers. Software developer. Developers build and maintain websites, apps, and software. If you enjoy problem solving and logic, this could be a great path for you. Skills needed are coding, Python, Java, JavaScript, understanding algorithms. Software developers are expected to see 21% job growth in Canada over the next 5 years, according to the ICTC. Data analyst. Data analysts interpret data to help companies make informed decisions. If you're good with numbers and enjoy finding patterns, this role is for you. Skills needed are Excel, SQL, Tableau, Python. The data analytics field is expected to grow by 18% by 2026. Cybersecurity specialist. As cybersecurity threats increase, companies need professionals to protect their systems and data. If you're detail-oriented and enjoy solving complex problems, cybersecurity is a growing field. Skills needed are network security, risk management, ethical hacking. Cybersecurity jobs are projected to grow by 32% between 2022 and 2027, driven by increased digital threats. Product manager. Product managers oversee the development and launch of new products. If you've led teams or managed projects, this role lets you combine business and tech skills. Skills needed are project management, communication, market analysis. With the rise of software as a service, SaaS, and agile development, product management roles are increasing by 15% annually. Once you've chosen a role, it's time to get the necessary skills. Luckily, there are plenty of affordable and even free options to help you get started. You don't need a 4-year degree to enter tech. Many people use online courses, boot camps, or self-study to land their first job. For beginners, platforms like Coursera and edX offer a variety of tech courses. You can start with programming basics or dive deep into specialized fields like data analysis or cybersecurity. Coursera's Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate is a great place to start for aspiring data analysts. Boot camps like General Assembly and BrainStation offer intensive programs to help you become job-ready within 12 to 24 weeks. These programs are ideal if you want to fast-track your learning. Boot camps can range from $5,000 to $15,000, but many offer flexible payment options or income share agreements. For those who prefer learning at their own pace, websites like Free Code Camp and Codecademy provide interactive coding lessons for free. Many roles also require certifications like AWS Certified Solutions Architect or Google Professional Data Engineer, depending on the field you're entering. After learning the basics, it's crucial to get hands-on experience. Many people switch careers by working on real-world projects through internships, freelance gigs, or contributing to open-source projects. Many tech companies, especially startups, offer internships for career switchers. Even if it's unpaid or part-time, the experience can boost your resume. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer allow you to take on small tech projects. Whether you're building websites or analyzing data, freelancing can give you a portfolio of real-world experience. Tech freelance work has increased by 50% in Canada over the past 2 years, especially in software development. Contributing to GitHub open source projects is another way to build your skills and demonstrate your expertise. Many tech companies value candidates who actively contribute to open source communities. Now that you've gained some experience, it's time to showcase your work. Building a strong portfolio is essential when applying for tech jobs, as it demonstrates your skills to potential employers. You should also start networking within the tech community. Include projects that demonstrate a range of skills, whether it's a website, a data visualization, or a cybersecurity simulation. Make sure to host your projects on platforms like GitHub or create a personal website. Optimize your LinkedIn profile by highlighting your new skills and certifications. Start connecting with tech professionals in Canada and joining tech-related groups. Attend local tech meetups, conferences, or online webinars to build connections. Websites like meetup.com are great for finding tech events in your area. Consider joining a mentorship program like Canada Learning Code or TechStars, where experienced tech professionals can guide you through your career transition. Switching careers to tech in Canada can be challenging, but with the right steps, it's absolutely achievable. Start by assessing your skills, choose a tech role that fits, upskill through online courses or boot camps, and gain hands-on experience. Remember, building a strong portfolio and networking with tech professionals is key to landing your first job. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more career tips and advice. Comment below with the tech role you're interested in or any questions you have about making the switch.